Welcome to Revive at Home. This is a short but comprehensive program to address your habits, stability, flexibility, and strength in order to get to the root of your symptoms. So many viewers have asked for more specific details that are tailored to different ailments. It's for this reason that we have developed DIY programs with follow-along exercises that are designed as a way to heal from the comfort of your own home. Hi, I'm Dr. Justin Lin. My team and I bring over 20 years of experience combined, nearly a decade as the highest rated PT on Yelp, and over 100,000 YouTube followers. Have peace of mind that you're getting a tried and true formula from one of the leading experts in the healing industry. So who are the Revive at Home programs made for? People on tight schedules that cannot commit to physical therapy or chiropractic visits multiple times a week. The busy mother or father who can't find an hour to devote to their own self-care. The working professionals who are grinding long hours at the computer and can't sneak away to take care of themselves. Sound familiar? The Revive at Home programs allow you to limit doctor's visits, physical therapy visits, and chiropractic adjustments. But more importantly, avoid wasting time in your busy day on plans that don't work. We even include the secret to our success, habit building techniques like posture, car positioning, and sleeping habits to encourage long-term gains. No program out there offers this. Commit to no more than 30 minutes a day for just 2 weeks and allow Revive at Home programs to be a tool used for your healing journey and a vehicle to a pain-free body. Find the programs on our website at rehabandrevive.com or find the link in the descriptions of this video to see the programs available. If you don't see a program for you just yet, keep checking back as we have a lot of content in store. For a limited time, we're offering promotional rates on our programs. Why suffer any longer? Don't miss out on the opportunity to save and get back to the things you love with the people you love. Please do not hesitate to reach out to our customer support team with any questions about the program, and we will get back to you in a timely manner. Remember, we heal smarter, not harder.